We've covered how deductions and capital gains pretty much ruin federal income tax, but let's be very clear as to why and how it works. If you're the CEO of a large company, why take a large salary for high income tax when you could take a smaller salary and get paid in restricted stock units? When the shares vest, that's ordinary income, and that's a big bill. But 100,000 shares a year means that it can grow or shrink every year, and there's great benefits to that, which we'll cover more in another video. Most of them take multi-year vested shares, so they can sell some of their stocks the first year, pay taxes, invest, and cover future years' worth of taxes on those annual vested stocks. And those future stocks then gain long-term capital gains. But most of their own personal expenses are covered by the companies, so they don't need to use their salary for food, housing, travel, medical, and more. And whether a wealthy CEO or wealthy through inheritance, here's a few ways they can reduce their income tax. Long-term capital gains reduce taxes by up to 13%. Or take a loan against their investments, and because it's collateralized, the rates are far lower, like lower single digits, even in a high-interest market. Or to help cover hobbies like partying in Monaco, start or invest in companies like a F1 team, or buy a hotel there. Most of their wealth is unrealized because it hasn't been sold on the stock market, real estate market, art market, and more. And even with the market crashes of the last 30 years, their wealth has only still continued to climb because they're diversified and markets recover and grow. And if they die, even though there's estate tax, long-term capital gains tax on stocks gets reset. So if after estate tax Daddy Dearbucks passed $6 billion unrealized long-term stock, $6 billion is the new cost basis. So income tax doesn't really make much sense for the rich. When we reduce income tax, we're helping them. But it's really just a distraction because it's not how we truly can impact them. We'll talk about some example of the elite's extremely low tax compared to their wealth, and what are some solutions. But for now, these are my 2 minutes